Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video. This month, I'm going to give you all of the grants that are available for you to apply for in the month of April. Now, if you don't know what a grant is, grants are free money that you receive from either a corporation or the government for the advancement of your actual business itself. Now, on a monthly basis, different companies come out with grants that are available, and they also have different ones available on the SBA website that may come directly from the government. And they all are usually specific to a certain type of business type. Some of the grants may be specifically for Black women in business, businesses with minority owners, first time business starters, single parents, all that kind of great stuff. So I'm going to go through and show you guys the top 5 grants that are available in the month of April that you can apply for. And I'm also going to show you the application process as far as like what the minimal requirements are and the best practices I think you should have when you're filling out these grants and answering different essay questions. You want to be sure that you're letting people know that how you're going to use this money to help advance your business as far as building with employees, payroll, and how you're helping the community. Those are usually some of the bigger things that they're looking to hear more information about on how it's really going to be taken in advancement for your business to grow in your actual community. So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. But the last thing I'm going to add is on the SBA website, they actually show you and have grants available to you under their events section. So I'm also going to let you guys know how you can go on the SBA site and check and see what grants they have available on a monthly basis. So let's get into it.
Okay, y'all. We are going to get started today with going over some of the grants, and I'm going to start from the beginning. So let me pull up my screen share real quick. Okay, so boom, the first grant that we are going to go over, grant opportunities, is going to be with AT&T. She's connected. So this is a grant that is directly through AT&T. And you have a chance to win $50,000 for your small business, along with full support of She's Connected by AT&T platform. The grand prize winner will receive $5,000 towards their small business, 1 full year of AT&T services with a brand new device, and you will be involved in the episode for She's Connected. So as far as who qualifies, it's going to be women-owned business. This business has 50 employees or less, registered in the U.S., and you're a small business owner at least 18 years of age or better. One thing I always say is to review the rules and regulations. They usually will give you additional information about like that, what they're looking for with the application process. Actually, I think I already have that up. So yeah, so in the terms, it'll tell you like how you can participate, who's eligible. You can also suggest a business. So if you want to suggest a friend's business, not necessarily your own. And then it gives you like additional requirements they may have, any restrictions, all that kind of great stuff. So I do think it's important to look at, the rules and regulations for each one because you never know. But if you are applying for yourself, you're pretty much just going to select apply. Oh, click proceed, my bad. And give, your basic personal information, your business details, social media. If you have a website, if you do not have a website, you can always feel free to put your booking link here. Don't feel like if it requires you to enter that, just put a booking website link, a link tree. If you have a physical website, of course, and then your social media handles, proof that your small business is registered and you're the owner. So this would be your LLC documents, a DBA, sole proprietorship, whatever you have to show proof of your business name and that you are the actual owner. And they say, don't be shy. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your small business. So you want to give them your vision and mission statement on what your goal is with your business. In this area, I would always suggest that you put in information about already, I was just going to say that the impact it makes on your community. With a lot of grants, they want to know how you're impacting and helping your actual community. And that can be a big thing. So, a little pro tip for you guys when answering these questions, you can actually copy some of the questions and you can put them in Chat GPT. So, I'm going to go over to my Chat GPT really quick and you're going to copy the question in there. Hold on. I'm going to say, can you make me a grant proposal for 750 words or less for my credit repair business, and answer the following questions. And it says, sure, to craft a grant proposal for your credit repair business. These are the questions. I'll need specific questions you'd like the proposal to address for the grant proposal. And they're asking, oh, please provide me the questions. Okay, cool. I'm going to give the question. And then it's pretty much going to pull everything out for you. Now it does leave the boxes for you to fill in your name, business, city, state, year the business was established, all that kind of great stuff. Now you can take this grant proposal, read over it, make sure all the wording makes sense to you, is good. If you want it to be tweaked, you can copy the full proposal and say, can you make this better? So I'm going to kind of wait for it to finish, spelling everything out, and it's doing it in the 750 words or less because we want to make sure, that we meet the requirements. So let's say I like this, but I feel like it could be better. I'm going to copy that in full. Oh, they still going. So, and this is giving a full breakdown. I want to expand the education program, technology enhancement, hire additional staff, use the money towards marketing and outreach. And as you can see, each section is actually giving a breakdown of what that would cost, what it would look like. So this is going to be a great option for you guys. Just put it in ChatGPT and use the prompt that I gave y'all in the beginning. Don't make this difficult. If you don't feel like it's that good, you put in, can you make this better? And they'll make it better. So now that I have my 750 words or less, I'm going to copy and paste that into my questions, our brand values, think big, pick one or two things that you value or describe how your business aligns with these values. All you're going to do, if you can't come up with something on your own, or what you can do is type in what fits your brand, copy this question, put it in ChatGPT and say, hey, can you make this paragraph into a grant proposal for 750 words or less and answer this question? Work smarter, not harder, babes. That's all I'm going to say. So this is the AT&T She's Connected. Now, this is specifically for woman-owned businesses, but I will go over next some that are available to any gender, any business type. Now, I just put y'all on. Put your stuff in Chat GPT with that prompt. So we got She's Connected out the way. That is our first grant. The next thing that I wanted to go over with you guys is going to be this website. It is called helloskip.com. I'm going to put the link in the description for y'all for this website as well. So you can actually start a free trial. And the way that this website works for you is when you log in, it gives you a plethora of grants. It already has 20 grants recommended for me, and all I did was sign up. It's going to tell you how much it's for and what the due dates are. So as you can see, some of these are due within the end of April, which is, totally fine. because we still have time right now. So the Pitch Perfect one that I just was talking about is on here. Take a Leap. Skip has their own grant. These are necessarily for women. These can be applied to any type of business and any gender. So it's giving you a multitude of different grants. Actually, the She's Connected one is already on here, and that's one I found on my own as well as the other one. But no longer do you have to search high and low to try to figure it out. You can literally sign up on this website. You can do the free trial. If you decide to do the paid version, it is $9.99 a month, but $9.99 for you to be able to apply for some grants every month. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, literally. So I would suggest y'all at least get the free version so you can see the name of the grants. And then you can go on the websites, look them up, use ChatGPT to answer, each prompt. Now, for example, the one that they have, Hello Skip, has their own grant. It's for $15,000 for an entrepreneur, and it pretty much gives you all the details. This is for anyone US based, at least 18 years or older, and it's due April the 24th. Now, as far as the application, it gives you all the questions that are already asked. So again, you can just copy and paste these. If you already know what you want to pretty much say, you can put that in Chat GPT. Say, can you make this better to answer this question? Just so that you're getting the best wording, that you can possibly have for your actual grant itself. That is something, that I would strongly suggest. So this is the one with Skip. Like I said, it's due on April the 24th, and they want to know, what does your business do? Describe your product or service, how you're helping your customers, how would you use the grant money to help your business, and what do you want to understand about we want to understand about your business funding journey. What do you need? They always want to know two things: how you're helping the community and what you're going to use the money for. It's important that you break things down. That's why I like the breakdown that Chat GPT gave, saying, hey, I need money for payroll so we can expand. I need money for marketing so we can expand. You want to give reasons that are going to show you're looking to expand your business, not just have it because I need the money and you don't know why. And on this actual website, if you do sign up for the paid version, they actually do have an option for you to where you can see insights, and they'll complete your application for you using AI. So they already have AI incorporated on this website if you want to use them to help you with your application process. But if not, you can always come up with your own information the old school way and get things done. So this is going to be a great option for you guys. So far, I've shown you She's Connected with AT&T. The Skip $15,000 entrepreneur grant, that can go to any business type, any person. It's not specifically just curated to actual women. So it is a great option for y'all. And then the third grant I have for y'all today is going to be Pitch Perfect Grant. This is for women entrepreneurs, and it's up to $5,000. I will be sure to put the link in the description for all the grants I'm going to go over with y'all today. And this is for mommy to millionaires, for ladies looking to further their businesses. We're going to go to the Apply Now tab. And it's just asking, is this? I'm self-employed. Score is good. Now with this one, you're going to have to make a login, but it's the same process with your grants. I just want to give you guys the options of what that you can actually apply for. I wanted y'all to see where you can go to get more information. They even have different grants for men. You can take the leap 5K grant, $5,000. All you have to do is be 18 years or older, apply by April the 30th, and you're an aspiring entrepreneur. That's pretty much all you need to do. Application, tell them what's your story, how you would use the $5,000. Our purpose is to grow as a team while connecting with our community. How are you going to assure that happens? Like I said, they want to know what you're going to do with the money and how you're going to connect with the community. That is the biggest thing that these grants are looking for. If you can explain that to people, you really will not have a problem with getting what you need. And if you don't know what to say, put it in Chat GPT, like I showed you guys. This one gave a great example. Expansion of education program, 20,000. Technology upgrades, 15. Hiring for additional staff, 10,000. Marketing and communication, 5,000. So I'm telling you what I need the money for, how much it's going to cost, and how this will help to develop my business. If I want this to be more community based, can you make this proposal more community based? Bam. They'll update it. So I've given you guys 3 resources today. I've given you She's Connected, the Skip grant, and then I've also given you the Take the Leap grant. Showed you guys how to go on Hello Skip. You can start your free trial, which I will link in the description and above for you guys, so you can sign up on here and start applying for your grants. Chat GPT is free. You can use it as a resource to help you fill out your actual grant applications. And however you wanted to tweak it, you just type that in, fix it up, copy and paste, and start sending out your grants. The great thing that I like about this website is if you see 20 grants available, if you just apply for 5 grants a week, a month, 5 to 10 grants a month, you're going to get some money. You're going to get it. And you can do this by taking out an hour of your time a few times a month to ensure you get some money for your business. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have made it to the end of this video, please comment, I made it. Thank y'all for rocking with me, how I rock with y'all. Until next time.
Thank you guys for tuning in with me today. I hope you found some great grants that you're going to start applying for. Make sure you guys are paying attention to those deadlines because it is super important. And remember, no matter when you see this video, if you currently didn't make the deadline, you can always go on the SBA website and look and see what grants are available. But as a added bonus for you guys, I'm going to make sure that every month I make a new YouTube video committed to you to let you know what grants may be available to your business to make sure we all get some of this free money. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have a goal. I'm trying to get to 100K by the end of this year. And please help me make that a reality. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with a family or friend who may have a business and looking to get some free money. And until next time, love you guys. Bye.
Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.